Okay, so we are now at camp. We
Yes.
are at Pinion Flats, Loop 2, Site 66. This is our view from our tent, which is pretty awesome. Tent all set up. So, there's sand dunes. There. Here's Chris and his funny apron.
Yes.
Taking a picture of our food.
Fantastically meal prepped.
Yes, so this is our meal prep. We're having fajitas tonight. So we have pre-sliced marinated steak, bell peppers, onions, guacamole, cilantro lime crema, sour cream, cheese, salsa, and tortillas. And we also have some tortilla chips. That's the rest of our non-perishable food in that tub. And this is our little cooler refrigerator thing that is currently set to, I don't know if you can see it, 36 degrees. Powered by the GoalZero, which in turn is powered by our solar panel, which is awesomely just facing directly into the sun right now. There's our camp chairs. We haven't set those up yet. Here is our super fancy kitchen setup.
Kind of yard sale, but yeah.
Kind of yard sale. But there's our onions.